Hi guys, and welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing of a portable USB microphone kit. This is from Maono, and the model number is PM461TR. So let's start by opening this box. So what's inside? Of course, manual and another like a thank you card, and this is the microphone, which is made of plastic. This is good quality plastic, and this one have a volume knob here. This is important if you need to lower the volume gain of your microphone, and no need to do it on your computer. So it's a plus feature for this mic, and it also include the what's this, foam windscreen. Okay, let's insert it here. Okay, a little bit deformed, but it still serve the purpose. And the tripod, that's the height, and also include the USB cable, which can be connected to your computer, MacBook, or maybe on your cell phone if you have a OTG connector or on-the-go connector. And also this is where you put your mic. So let's insert this tripod first to the rig. Okay. That's it, and this can be like move in that direction, and then put this mic here. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to align the thread. See? I don't know, maybe because of the material used. It's I don't know why I cannot align it properly. Okay. And then, all right, so that is how it should look. And when using this mic, this one should be fronting you, where you can see the volume knob or the mic gain knob, and you can move this on your desired position and tighten this so that it will not move. So yeah, and here is where you will connect the USB. See, but this is how it looks. Put this aside, and let's do some testing of this mic. So I have my MacBook here, and turn this on. My MacBook is a USB-C, so I have this dongle that I need to use. And okay, let's put it here. And so this can be used for YouTube streaming, game streaming, Zoom, what else, Microsoft Teams, Skype, any activities where you need to use a microphone, that where you can able to connect it with the USB. So now I will just connect it straight. I don't know if you can see, but here, connect it this way and just connect it to my USB-C connection with my MacBook. Okay, so after connecting the mic to your MacBook, just go to sound properties, or here the system preferences, and go to sound and select the input, and you can select the USB condenser microphone, so it's here. And yeah, now we're using the condenser mic. There you can see we start recording using the mic of the MacBook Air. And then let's now try it with the let's try to record using the Maono PM461TR. Now this is recording the voice using the Maono mic PM461TR. Okay, now let's try. Now I connected this here, and now let's try the recording of the voice using the camera. And here I will just press the record, so you can see it says recording audio through USB mic. So hello, check 1 2, check, test mic. And now I will remove USB mic. I think I'm using my cell phone's microphone now. Hello, check 1 2. Okay, let's turn this off again, and let's start a new video recording just to make sure. Hello, check 1 2, check. That's it. Hello, check 1 2. Now we're testing the microphone of the cell phone. So that's it for the unboxing. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Shapes and beats to the beatbox.
No, not beatbox from Shapes and Beats. No Shapes and Beats for beatbox.
Okay,
That's allowed it for the game.
Okay, one more.
There's only Roblox games now.
Okay.
Obstacle Obby.
Okay.
Obstacle Obby. Obstacle Obby. Rise it slime. Rise it slime. Exploded.